911, what is the address of your emergency?
8180 Eating Street at AMF Cleanup. This is with an ongoing investigation case. I'm reporting that I was looking at our camera systems at our property, and in fact, our Dodge Ram dually has been stolen. It looks like it's a Hispanic male with a bald head, long baggy jeans, and a black T-shirt.
911, what is the address of your emergency?
Yeah, it's Road 3523, Florida Vista, New Mexico.
And tell me exactly what happened.
I was robbed. Somebody was in my house.
And, sir, did he have any weapons or anything? Did he harm you?
He said he had a knife. I thought I was going to get shot. I can see he came in through my window in the front. He kicked the screen out of my window in the front here, and he busted my front door to get out.
Okay. 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Road 3523, Florida Vista, New Mexico. Well, this morning there's a truck from American Modern Fence, I believe, and he ran into my fence.
911, what is the address of the emergency?
Road 3000.
Tell me exactly what happened.
This guy attacked my husband, and he's in a Dodge truck with a long trailer on it. He was headed towards Farmington on Southside.
10-4, all units. They're advising that the male jumped out of the vehicle with a long spear, about 18 inches long.
All units, update on that ATL. This is now upgraded to a Code 2, aggravated battery, 1075. The suspect vehicle is now westbound on County Road 3000, again 3000.
All units 10-3, be advised that the suspect dropped off a trailer at 3000, the truck and trailer at 3000, and stole his vehicle. It should be a black Nissan Special Edition. Vehicle should be an SUV. 911, what is the address of your emergency?
So someone tried to break into Road 3000.
When did this happen?
Just now. They tried to break in. I got there. I live 3 houses down. So my little brother was in his room, and he broke down the window.
I'm actually right behind the vehicle right now. We are northbound 3100 from 3145.
5450, we're going out into the desert here next to the oil field site, and lost visual of the vehicle, but the owner of the house just flagged us down and pointed towards the direction that the suspect went.
211, I saw a dark colored SUV turn westbound on 3177. In the roadway.
Five 450 is bailing out.
Copy, Mel's going out.
Carrying a bag in his hand.
Yep. Right here. Got noise. Let me see your hands. Get out!
Get out!
He's diving under the water.
Dude, get out. Now.
Yep, right here. Hey, come here. Let me see your hands.
Gun, don't move.
Get out!
You're gonna get shot.
Hands
I
up!
got a gun in my hand. Don't move. You don't move.
You don't move!
Do not move.
Do not move! He said he's got a gun.
I got a fucking gun.
Let me see your hands!
Show me your hands.
Let me see your hands!
Get out of here.
Let me see your hands!
Your hands. You better get out of the water or you will be shot. I got a gun. You will be shot.
Hands up!
Show me your hands.
Hands up! Let me see your hands! What's that? I see him. I can't see his hands though. Hands up!
Head and shoulder up right here.
Hands up!
Show me your hands. A fucking gun.
Let me see your hands!
No. Put your hands up. Put the gun down.
Let me see your hands!
No. Get the out of here. Nope, not happening.
Dude, you will be shot! Let's go! Get your hands up!
Stop.
Hands up! He's going back.
Going back.
He's going back. He's going back.
Let's see your hands now. No. Let me see your hands. You. Shoot me. Show your hands. Shoot me.
I'm gonna go around with
Yeah, go ahead. I got my shoot me.
Hands up, let's go!
No! No! Let me see your hand! No! Hey! Let me see your f***ing hand! Cut it out!
Let's go!
No!
Let's go! Hands up!
Your hands up!
Hands up!
No! Let me see your hand! No!
Let's go!
Your hands up!
Now!
You're gonna be shot! You have 5 seconds! 1, 2, 3, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get away! Hands up! Get away! Let me see your hands! Get hands now! Now! Get out of here! Let me see your hands! Now! Get your hands up!
Hands up! Hands up!
Get your hand out of that bag! Now!
Call it, hurry up!
Hold it out. Radio right here. Let me see your hands! Hands! Now! Hold on, don't get in that water. Hold on, dude. Hold on, dude. Hold on.
Not. Hands up!
Hey,
hands up!
This way so we can help you.
Hands up!
There, his hands are empty.
Hands are empty.
Get him. Get this wire down.